Hi everybody, welcome back. I'm going to do a little quick Workbench update. Sorry about the shaky cam, but I'm holding this. Got a couple of new things in the mail recently, so I thought I'd show them to you. The first one was this Ferrari 328 GTS by Hasegawa. This one is the Fokker D7, the early version by Wingnut Wings, and I got this from Andy's Hobby headquarters. I want to say November or something like that. There was, I guess they found a shipment of these things somewhere, and the kit finally arrived. It took about a month or so before it got to his place, and then about a week before it got here. So I'm looking forward to building that. And I guess that these were ones that were limited since this company's gone out of business. So there's that. And now, sorry again for the shaky cam, there's this Ferrari GTO. It is a 1/16 scale Ferrari by, who did this? I forgot. Testors? Yes. It's made by Testors. And this kit is huge. Again, sorry for the shaky cam here, but this is going to be a fun one. We're actually going to build this for my daughter. She's picked out a color for it, and I'll be using splash paints for the body. And it is going to be a purple Ferrari when we get done with it. So there's that. So let me turn this back around. Yeah, this kit is large. It's gonna be good. I'm not sure if it's gonna fit on my workbench when I go to build it, but yeah, there it is. So a couple of new kits. There's the Ferrari 328 GTS. And then the new Wingnut Wings Fokker D7. I'm gonna switch over to the desk now, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So thought I'd show you a little progress update on the Scale 75 Jessica Thunder bust. And I've gotten all the base layers for the skin down. And gonna go over that with oils. I've gotten the hair done. And the goggles are painted. So far, all of this has been done with acrylics. The glass for the goggles is actually this Humbrol Maskall. This actually worked out really, really well for the glass eyepieces for the goggles here. I think that actually turned out really well. And I was kind of taking a shot in the dark with it just to see how it looks, but actually it turns out nice and clear. And I would guess that if you change the background color, will change the color of the glass itself. So if you want darker glass, put in a darker color. But yeah, this stuff will work really, really well. I like it, and I'm going to keep it that way. But that's my progress on this. Most of the skin was done with an airbrush, which is why you see some overflow. And the hair was all hand painted with brushwork. But that's kind of where we're at. Like I said, real quick update. Hope everybody's doing well. Picked up a few new subscribers. Thank you everybody for joining. Oops, sorry, hitting the camera. And hope everyone is doing well. I hope the beginning of your 2023 is going well and everybody's safe and healthy. And I will talk to you all real soon. Bye-bye.